She's like Benny's love girl since before pre-K. Trigger. Yeah, I guess she had a point, didn't she? Bunch of stereotypes all in my head. I remember doing the math, like yeah, I'm good at Little League. A preconceived idea of what it all meant, but those that like the same sex had the characteristics. The right-wing conservatives think it's a decision, and you can be cured with some treatment and religion. Man-made rewiring of a predisposition, playing God. Oh nah, here we go. America the brave still fears what we don't know. God loves all his children, it's somehow forgotten, but we paraphrase a book written 3,500 years ago. I don't know.
Once you're all done with that process, you want to go ahead and make sure you secure your hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply plastic wrap, and I'm going to go under the dryer for 15 to 30 minutes. I am securing my hair with an elastic band. Okay. So once you fully saturate your whole entire head, you want to go ahead and get a plastic wrap, or you can use a plastic cap, shower head cap, and then go under your blow dryer. If you do not want to apply heat for a deeper stimulating treatment, then you don't have to do so. You can just go ahead and let it sit on your head for like a good 2 to 3 hours. Just an FYI, when you do your wash, your shampoo condition, please make sure that you are not doing it in a sink to where your head is tilting forward down, because then the product will trickle down, run into your eyes, and you want to avoid any eye contact with all the ingredients, especially for the cinnamon and the cayenne pepper. Okay, cayenne pepper, yeah, cayenne pepper. And yeah, so just going off of personal experience, I was definitely crying for the first time, and I had to run and get my God Brothers goggles just to cover my eyes. And this was too in the shower, and my head was not down though. My head was going back, and I wasn't really paying attention, yada yada. One thing led to another, and my eyes were red. So yeah, also just a heads up, it is very stimulating to the scalp. It's very itchy. Like, yeah, just go in with the mindset that your head will be on fire. Not literally, but yeah, that's the only crazy part about this hair mask, this mega growth deep treatment. But I definitely love it. I recommend you to do it at least once a month, or at least in between every protective style. So if you're a person who does box braids and you leave it in for 2 months to 3 months, then right after that you want to go ahead and make sure that you are treating your hair, because you know, for me, my goal is to retain length and have natural, long, luscious, beautiful hair. And in order for you to do that, it starts with hair care. Either it's within your home or your stylist. So if you don't want to do this yourself, you can definitely go to your stylist and ask them, or just say, hey, can you do this service for me? And they'll be able to provide it for you. You can go ahead and customize the ingredients. Like you can do, you can add banana, eggs, you can take out the cayenne pepper, you could take out the aloe vera gel. It just depends on you.